Well, students, join us. Waiting for you. Habib Niazi with O-level physics. Today's topic of discussion is electrical symbols and electrical circuits. Yesterday we discussed about ammeter, voltmeter, and galvanometer. Today's topic of discussion is electrical symbols and electrical circuits. Waiting for you, hurry up, hurry up. Take out your copy, pencil and textbook to be with us. Well, students, these are the electrical symbols which are there on your textbook. We are following textbook of Cambridge. This textbook has been recommended by the Cambridge. Have a look on the title of the textbook. This is title of the textbook, and today we are going to discuss its page number 278, 279 and 280. So have a look on the page number 279 of this textbook. All of you are requested to mark your attendance. Some electrical symbols have been shown on the slide, which are there on your textbook on page number 280. So let's have a start. Types. These are the electrical symbols. These are symbols for lamp. You can use this one, and you can also use this one for lamp. Mostly this symbol has been used in past papers. This is symbol of ammeter for measuring current. This is symbol of voltmeter for measuring potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. This is the symbol of switch, and this is symbol of cell. So hurry up. Do have practice of these symbols on your copy. Be quick. Waiting for all of you. We are waiting for the student to join us. Previously, we have studied about the definition of current and formula and unit of current. We have also discussed about the measurement of current and potential difference. And today our topic of discussion is electrical symbols. So all the students are requested to join us. Very good. Waiting for you. Have a look on your textbook page number 280. Federal publication. Hurry up. This is the title of the textbook from which we are going to start. We will start from page number 279. Hasnan Ali wa alaikum salam. Hasnan Mujahid is present. Notfik is present. Hassan is present. Ibrahim Akram is also present. So as students, open page number 280 of your textbook. These are different symbols for different devices and instruments. which are being used in drawing the electrical circuits. The most important symbols are, this is symbol of lamp. Both of these two symbols are used for lamp, but in our past papers, capital past papers, mostly this symbol with cross, circle with cross, is used for denoting lamp or bulb. This is symbol of ammeter. Ammeter is used to measure current. This is symbol of voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to measure potential difference. And this is the symbol of switch. This is symbol of cell. When two or more than two cells combine together, they form a battery. This is symbol of battery. And this is the symbol of AC power supply. The most important symbols, I am going to specify the most important symbols. Most important symbols are, number one, this one. This is the symbol of bulb. Have a look on this symbol. This is symbol of bulb. This is very important symbol. This is symbol of switch. This is symbol of resistor. When the line will pass through this symbol, it will become fuse. Fuse is a safety device which is used in electrical circuits for the purpose of safety. These are important symbols. This is for lamp, for resistors, for switch, for fuse. These are very important symbols. One is variable resistor. This is also very important symbol. Have a look on this symbol. This symbol is for lamp. This symbol is for switch. This symbol is for resistor. So we will practice these symbols. In electrical circuits, we show different devices with the help of these symbols. Instead of drawing a bulb, we use this symbol for denoting bulb. So let's draw different circuits by using these symbols. Have a look here. Just draw the circuit. By using these symbols, you have to draw the symbol of a power supply, mean symbol of battery, two bulbs connected in series, a switch, an ammeter to measure the current through the circuit, voltmeter across each bulb to measure the potential difference across the bulb. This is the circuit. I have drawn this circuit by using these statements and by using different symbols. This is a power supply of 15 volt. This is ammeter. Ammeter is always connected in series. These are two bulbs which have been connected in series. Carry on. Not wait, please mark your attendance with your name. Marishai. He is Marishai. Carry on. Draw this circuit on your copy with the help of statement. Okay, picture is not clear. Okay, I'll try to clear the picture. Hope it is clear now. Yes, much clear. You have to draw a circuit diagram including 1.5 volt battery, two bulbs connected in series, an ammeter to measure the current, and voltmeter across the bulbs. So, have a look on this circuit. This is the symbol of battery. This is the symbol of ammeter. Ammeter ammeter has been connected with the battery in a straight line, which means in series circuit. These are two bulbs which have been connected in a single straight line, which means in a series circuit, and this is a switch. Voltmeter is always connected parallel to the bulbs. Is it clear to all of you? Write clear if you are clear with this circuit diagram. Waiting for your response. Write clear if you are clear with this circuit diagram. Well, now write down the statement for circuit diagram and try to solve it by yourself. Try to solve it by yourself. Well, students, we are going to discuss types of circuits. There are two types of circuits basically. One is open circuit and another is closed circuit. Open circuit in which the current will not pass, while the closed circuit in which current will pass. So there are different types of circuits. Types of circuits: open circuit, closed circuit. Now we will discuss about open and closed circuits. These are the symbols. You have to learn and practice all of these symbols. What do you understand by open and closed circuit? Open circuit. First of all, we discuss about open circuit. That is on your textbook page number 280. This is a circuit diagram for open circuit. Why is it called an open circuit? Why? Can anybody answer me? Have a look on this circuit. Why is it called a closed circuit? Oh, sorry, this is an open circuit. I am going to explain this. This is the battery, cell, positive terminal, negative terminal of the cell. This is the symbol of cell. Symbol of cell is clear. These are connecting wires. This is the connecting wire, has been connected with the two terminal of the battery. This is ammeter. Ammeter is always there in series. The whole current will pass through ammeter. The current is going on. Switch is open. Open switch means current cannot pass from this point to this point because the switch is open. Open switch means closed switch. Off switch, open. If there is switch open, it means switch is off. So have a look, the switch is off. Current cannot pass from point A to point B. Let's go, this is point A and this is point B. Current cannot pass from point A to B. And the bulb will not glow, bulb will not enlighten. This is the symbol of, this is the circuit diagram for open circuit. So write down the definition of open circuit. Good, thank you. Write down the definition of open circuit. Open circuit is a circuit in which there is not a continuous path. There is not a complete path. The circuit in which there is not a complete path for continuous flow of charges is called open circuit. This is an open circuit because current cannot pass, because the passage of current has been broken. So if switch is open, it means switch is off. So the open circuit means the circuit in which there is no complete path for the continuous flow of charges. The path is broken. So ammeter will show no reading. There will be no current in the circuit. Is it clear? Write clear if you are clear with this. This is open circuit. Now we are going to study with closed circuit. This is open circuit and here is closed circuit. Have a look. This is battery cell positive terminal. This is negative terminal. This is conducting wire and here is symbol of ammeter for measuring the current. Here is another conducting wire. The switch is closed. The path is complete. Now the charges can flow through this path and the bulb can glow. So this is a closed circuit. This is a closed switch. The circuit in which there is a complete path for the continuous flow of charges is called closed circuit. This is closed circuit because the path for the flow of charges is complete. Ammeter will show the reading and bulb will be on. So students, we have discussed two types of circuits. One is open circuit and another is closed circuit. Draw the figure of closed circuit. This is closed circuit. This is a paper from Cambridge past papers. Have a look on the circuit and answer the question. The question is, this is a bulb, has been connected with 2-volt battery. This is a switch is open. So for the time being, bulb will be off, there will be no current flowing through this circuit. This is another, have a look. This is symbol of cell or battery. For the time being, I am taking it as a battery. This is symbol of bulb. You have to practice different symbols. These are connecting wires. This is symbol of switch. S for switch. Again here, this is the simple cell, 2-volt cell. This is the combination of cells. Combination of cells is called battery. This is 6-volt battery. The difference between this symbol and this symbol is, this is a single cell. This is combination of two cells. This is cell and this is a battery. So here is a switch. Switch is denoted by S. These are conducting wires and this is symbol of bulb. The question is, state what the student observes when the switch is closed. If we close this switch, it means if we complete the circuit like this one, and if we complete the circuit like this one, now the switches are closed, what will happen? Obviously, bulb A, what will happen? Just give me the answer. If I have closed this switch, what will happen? Please give me the answer of this question. Waiting for your answer. If I have closed the switch, I have completed the path for the flow of current. What will happen with this bulb and what will happen with this bulb? Waiting for your answer. Both of these bulbs will glow. Both of these bulbs will be on. This is a question from before 2008, October, November, and the answer is this will glow and this will also glow, but in this case the light will be dim because this bulb has been connected with 2-volt cell. The light will be dim, and this bulb has been connected with 6-volt battery, so the light will be bright. So these will be the observations. In our electrical circuits, we usually use 6-volt. We use 6-volt battery for our experiments. So the next question is, have a look. This was the bulb in previous circuit diagram. Now this bulb has been connected with 12-volt battery instead of 6-volt battery. Now the battery's voltage has increased. Now the question is, what will happen if we close this switch? What will happen? This is question on you. Tell me the answer. Okay, I have closed the switch and this bulb has been connected with 12-volt battery. What will happen with this bulb? Tell me the answer. Waiting for your reply. Current will start to flow and bulb will light up. Very well, Mr. Hassan, very well. But the problem is, what will happen if the bulb has maximum capacity to be a 6-volt battery? As I have explained previously, that in our electrical circuits, we usually use 6-volt battery for enlightening the bulb. Here in this case, I have used 12-volt battery. So what will happen? I have increased the voltage capacity of the bulb more than its capacity. So what will happen? Let's have a look. This is a question from 2008. The one possibility is the bulb will glow more brighter if you have increased the voltage more than its marked voltage. If you have increased the voltage more than the voltage bearable to this bulb, the bulb may melt or blow and its working capacity is 6-volt. Hope all of you have got the idea regarding open and close switch and glowing and blowing. Glow means to be on, glow means to on, and blow means to melt. So if you have increased this voltage, then the bulb may melt or may blow up. Have a look on this figure. This figure is from past paper, June 2010. Have a look on this figure. Anya Harris, welcome to my class. Have a look on this figure. Different switches have been shown here. You may look on this question paper from Tropical June 10, and this is question number 26. The question is, what will happen if we close the switch 0? What will happen if we close the switch 8? 1. What will happen if we switch on the close switch? We close the switch number 5 and switch number 6. Have a look on all of these one by one. Look here. 0. If I close the switch 0, now the current will flow from here and here. The bulb will not be lighted up. You have to close any one of these switches in order to glow this bulb. So this bulb cannot be on with the help of switch 0. Now we on switch number 1. Where is switch number 1? This is switch number 1. We close the switch number 1. Switch number 1 has not been connected with the battery, so it will not help us in glowing the bulb. What about switch number 5? If we close switch number 5 like this one, the current will take this path and will reach to the next terminal of the battery, passing through the bulb. So bulb will glow if we close switch number 5. Have a look. The bulb will glow if we close switch number 5. We have got the idea of open circuit, closed circuit, and opening and closing of the switches. Past papers, chapter number, this is the topic basically, topic of current electricity. These questions are there in the topic of current electricity. I am referring just year of the papers. Okay, have a look on this circuit. I am going to redraw the circuit. Have a look, this is very important circuit. This is positive terminal of the battery of the cell, and this is negative terminal of the cell. This is the conducting wire, and this is symbol of ammeter. This is symbol of variable resistor. You must be able to draw all of these symbols. This is conducting wire, this is symbol of switch. Here in this case switch is on, and this is symbol of bulb or lamp. This is the complete circuit. Draw this circuit. Symbol of ammeter, symbol of variable resistor, switch, and bulb. Draw this circuit. Here is a small piece of wire which has been connected at this point A and point B. Small piece of wire. What will happen? The current will flow from, conventional current will flow from positive terminal. It will not move away from point A. It will take this path and will move back like this one. Such kind of a circuit is called short circuit. Short circuit in which charges do not flow through the whole circuit. Charges are not flowing through ammeter. So there will be no reading on ammeter. Charges will not flow through any of this portion of the circuit. Instead, the charges will just move from point A and back to point B and back to negative terminal of the battery. Such a circuit is called short circuit. So I am going to define a short circuit. Short circuit is such a circuit in which current takes a bypass path. Current will take bypass path. Instead of flowing through the main circuit, the circuit in which the current takes a bypass path. instead of flowing through the main circuit is called short circuit. Why? My question is why the current is not flowing in this direction? Why? Because current always adopts such a path to flow in which it becomes easier for the charges to move back. In which it becomes easier for the charges to flow. The current does not flow through the circuit in which there is higher resistance. Here in this case, if the current will flow from this portion of the circuit, the current will have to pass through the larger path. Current and charges will have to pass through many distances. So the current always adopts such a path in which it becomes easy for the charges to flow. The current adopts such a path in which there is less resistance as compared to other paths. If you have a look on this portion of the circuit, it has ammeter, variable resistor and bulb. The current will not prefer, charges will not prefer to pass through this portion. The charges will prefer to pass through that portion of the circuit in which it becomes easy for them to move and to flow. So, such a circuit is called short circuit. In case of short circuits, a large number of charges are produced at the point of short circuits. Hence, heat is produced and there is danger of melting the circuit. There is danger of blowing off different equipments which are connected in the circuit. In order to avoid the loss being caused by this short circuit, we use circuit breaker or fuse in the circuit. Okay, today we discussed about open circuit and closed circuit and short circuit. Now we will have a look on another type of short circuit, and you will see that the current always prefers the path in which there is less resistance. Have a look. This is the short circuit. Have a look on this circuit. This is positive terminal of the battery. This is negative terminal of the battery. The current is flowing through this path. This is ammeter connected in series. This is variable resistor connected in series. Because the current has only single paths to flow. This is another connecting wire. This is symbol of switch. The current is going to flow like this. This is symbol of bulb. And this is the complete path. Now have a look on this point, A. When the current will come from positive terminal of the battery through a closed circuit and will reach at point A, it will have two paths. One is either charges should flow through this path or charges should flow through this path. So my question is, tell me the answer. Will the charges prefer this path or this path? In this path, there is lamp, and lamp has very high resistance. There is opposition, the flow of current through the lamp. This is an open path. This is a path for the charges in which there is less resistance. Here the resistance is very low. So the charges will adopt with this bypass path and will not flow through the bulb. The bulb will not blow. This is also another example of short circuit. Short circuit means such a circuit in which the current does not flow through the main circuit. Instead, the current flows through bypass path in which the current faces less resistance. So dear students, today we discussed about open circuit closed circuit and short circuit. You have already read about series and parallel circuit. So dear students, today we have covered page number, have a look on your textbook. We have covered page number 279, 278 and 279, 280 and 281. So keep on maintaining your copies. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.